Hi, in the last video we copy pasted the machines, AC machines from the uh, existing files. So now we have to finish the ducting layout for this machine and this machine. We will see if possible to finish everything in one video. Otherwise, maybe we required two videos to finish both the machines. Before to go through, sorry, let me close this dynamic output. This one, I don't want to see this. Okay, I want to rotate the supply like this and return like this, and one will be supply and one will be return. For example, this will be supply, okay, and this will be return. Make it red color. Okay, why this is supply? Because we have glass this side. That's why I want to keep supply this side. Okay, so make sure this distance and this distance should be same, and this distance should be same. For example, how let me make a line here, reference line. Okay, and like this also. We have to take from the center to center. Okay, now this distance and this distance is same, and you can make sure this and this also same. This should be little this side. Yeah, now it's looking same, but you can make sure exactly same. Okay, now here we have 250 cfm. For 250 cfm, let's calculate the duct size. The standard head loss 0.05, 0.05, and 250 cfm. Let me keep uh, 10 inches height, and our duct size will be 200. So we can make opposite 250 by 200. Okay, duct size here 250 by 200. So make a branch, not immediate after the mouth connection. Make keep a little distance like this. And what is our duct size? 250. Okay, now take your duct this direction and make sure this distance from the duct to the supply grill should not be less than 30 centimeter. Try to keep more, but minimum is 30 centimeter. Here in this case I keep 40, no problem. Okay, shift this down. So our duct size is 250, so make offset 250, and 250 cfm we have here. And now we need 90 elbow. How to make 90 elbow? 250 divided by 4, so we will get a value 6 or 6.3 something. Okay, F enter, R enter. I will use 7, even no problem. 6, okay, use 6, F enter, R enter, 6, offset 50, trim the extra lines, connect like this, and here we need two flexibles. Okay, we can make two flexibles here, and each flexible is 4 inches, or we can make 3 also. If 4 inches, we can make 3 also. Make offset 100, sorry, this is trying in centimeters, and make EL, ellipse, like this, like Okay, like this. I always use flexible color, gray or light gray. Make it black. Give name flexible duct. One on the side, one in the center, and one another side. Like this mirror. Make sure this distance is same. Okay, like this, and close from here. Okay, now write your duct size. Okay, and size smaller. Now here duct size is 250 by 200. How many CFM we throw here? 250. Okay, here make a neck piece 15 centimeter. Make offset 15 and then connect like this. Delete and delete. Match your colors like this. And you can take a copy again, and if you want to write the size again, you can write your size again here like this. Okay, this is done. Let me write down for you the size also, the description for the grills. Okay, one numbers SLD SLD slash RLD. SLD mean supply slot diffuser. Okay, SSLD supply slot diffuser. Supply linear diffuser. Okay, or supply slot diffuser, or use SLD only, supply slot diffuser. Return linear diffuser. Okay, and then how many CFM we have here? 250 CFM, and then write down here 2 hash slots. It means 2 slots. Okay, make rectangle. Give it color as yellow, so more clear. Then take a copy. We need here also, and here will be 200 CFM. Here better we use the typical one, same length and same 2 slot for this office also. Make like this, and then return like this. Return under the machine, not a problem. There is no problem if we keep our return under the AC. Here we have 200 CFM. Remove from here this one, because we finished this part. Yes, I just write just to keep in mind. Now here we have 200 CFM. For 200 CFM, let's calculate our duct size again. We have 200 CFM here. If we use the same, only reduce the height, same duct size, but height here is 200, and here you can reduce to 150. Okay, delete this also. Let me make a mirror for this one. MI, make mirror like this. Bring your duct near to your machine and trim the extra part, and then take a flexible. We need 30 cm, so better we move shift this 10 centi this direction. Now here we have 26, 27 or 28 centimeters. Oh, sorry, 35 or something. Let me check also. DLI from here to here. We have 33 centimeters. So minimum we require 30 centimeters. So we have 33 is enough. We can connect our diffuser easily. Flexible easily. Give any name. Flexible to or whatever. Okay. Just two flexible diffusers here because we have 200 CFM. One flexible can handle 150 to 100 CFM if it's 4 inches. Then close your duct here. Match with this and the same. Copy from here. Here we have 200 CFM and the duct size is 150. Okay, this is done. Now we can do VCD also, that I will do later. And from here now we have to reduce our duct size. After reduce the duct size, we need one supply here, small supplies. We will make a diffuser here, around a square diffuser. So we will keep only supply, no need to make a return. It's ready-made cabins. They will bring ready-made cabin and they will keep it here. It's not like partition or something. Okay. So now here we throw 250 and here we throw 200 CFM. So we have to subtract 450 CFM from 1380. Okay, take calculator. 1380 minus 450. So what we have now? 930. So our duct size will be now as per 930 CFM. Okay, so 21 mean 550 because I know I don't need to calculate, but for you I want to calculate here. 21 inches multiply 2.54. So we have 53 centimeters. It means in millimeters 550. So 2 millimeter up down, not a problem. So make offset here. We have to reduce our duct size now. So make offset 35. Okay, I make a reducer for 35. And here I want two-sided reducer. Okay, not one-sided. So make a line 55. Paste it here. And connect both sides like this. Trim the balance part and like this. So now we have changed our duct size from 650 to 550. 550, yeah. So now we have CFM here. How many CFM we have now? 930. Just write down here 930 CFM. Go straight and we will see how to make next. So now here we need a diffuser. Here also we need diffuser. Small diffuser 150 mm. 150. What is this? Remove this one. Okay. We need one small diffuser here, one small diffuser here. For that, I think I don't have diffuser here. I have to bring from other drawing. Let me go there. Desktop, download. For example, here I have drawing R2EM. This is one villa reference. Okay, open this one. From here I need to copy my VCD and diffuser as well. Okay, we have diffuser here. Just copy this diffuser. We don't need return here, only supply. We will keep because 50 CFM only. No need to make supply and return. Only supply is enough. Copy and paste it here. This in centimeters. But the drawing from where I brought this one, there is millimeters. So we can say 0.1. Okay, make it smaller. Bring near the drawing. Move and put it here. Not exactly in the center because we have light in the center. So check the distance. Yeah, we have 15 centimeters, so it means 150 mm. Okay, so just keep near the duct, and here you can install it with the flexible duct. 4-inch flexible duct we will use here. Make sure your duct should not go 1.5 meter from diffuser to the duct. Okay, so I will use only flexible duct like this. Okay, bring this line. I can make flexible duct with the path method also, but here I want to use straight, no problem, like this also. Remove everything and then copy all everything here like this and paste it there like this. Okay, now here we have two diffusers. Let's make slot diffuser for this area. We need this area also. This is open area. This line, just I make this line. I will make two slot diffuser, one slot diffuser here and one slot diffuser here. I think better. But then I have issue about this area. This area no problem. From this machine I will take duct up to here. Uh, but for this area I will use this machine only. Yeah, I will use this machine only for this area. So we can make two slots here and two slots here. So here, how many CFM we have? How many balance CFM we have here? Here we have 650 CFM, I think. Let's calculate again. The total CFM of the machine is this one. 450 we throw already. Then 100 we throw in small offices. 50-50, and then here also 200 minus 200. So what is the balance? 650. So 650 we have to throw here in this part. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's take this, make it here near the glass. I want to keep near the glass. And here what we will do, we will make half supply and half return. Okay, let's make it bigger. Make stretch this one. This is 150 only. So let's make it 150. We should do a little longer, because if we make smaller that will not look good. It should look beautiful also when we see the ceiling from down. We can make like, okay, increase 1 meter, 100. Okay, half will be supply and half will be return like this. Okay, this is supply and return, and here also same size we have to do here also in this part. I don't want to make opposite, one here, one here. So half supply here and half return here. let's change the color for this one. Which one is this? One is return, and this one also return. So this is supply and this is supply. Or what we can do, we can make this is supply, this is supply, and this is return. I think, yeah, this is return. Okay. Or I have issue in this area, so let's keep this supply and make this return, and then yeah, keep this like this. Okay, because we have here also, so here we will see, we will make supply this side so that this area also will be cool. So now total how many CFM we have to throw here? 630. So we have to divide 630 into 2. So half here and half here. 630 divided into 2, 315. Okay. So we have to throw 315 CFM here. Okay. Let's make duct as per 315 CFM. Make a branch from here so that easily we can connect with this one. So take these diffusers, this flexible duct, paste it here like this, and bring this little down like this, and now calculate the duct size as per 315 CFM. So what is the duct size will be? 10 by 10, we can say 250 by 250. Make offset 250, sorry, 25 and 25. Divided into 4, it means 6. F enter, R enter, 6 point something, 6.3. Okay, I can use 6.3. You can calculate properly what the value you are getting. Make line like this, and here we have 315 CFM. So make four flexible ducts here. It's 4-inch only, very small. That's why I want to use more numbers, because as much longer, that much look good in the ceiling. Small length will not look good when we see the interior design. So write down your duct size here, 250 by 250. How many CFM we throw here? 315. Just match the color here, like this, like this. Okay, now we have to reduce our duct size here. Make a straight line like this and offset 35. Make a reducer, two-sided reducer we have to make here. Copy this one. And make it here. This here also better if we write size here also. Now next, what we have? 315 CFM for this supply and 200 CFM for this area. So here the duct size should be 315, 515. Okay, so let's calculate how many CFM. 315 we have to throw here. 315 plus 200 for the small office. So we have 515 CFM balance we have to throw. Go there, 515. So the duct size will be, if we keep this same, so 300 by 300 we can say our duct size. Let's make a line, 300, paste it here. Okay, cut this part and take your duct straight like this, and if you want to shift this bit here so that this from the slot diffuser to the duct should not be less than 30 centimeter. Okay, this is we can keep this flexible here also, or let's select we have to shift this little down like this and copy all together. Sorry, I selected from wrong side. No problem, I will make mirror like this and shift it like this in the center. Okay, now this is also done, and write your duct size here and CFM as well here. Okay, we use a big scale, and let's use this scale now for the balance part. If we want, we can use same scale also, but as I am doing video, I am not focusing too much. Okay, now we have here 300 by 300 as we calculated before SCD, and how many CFM we have? 515, 515. Okay, so here we throw 315, so 200 we have to take it there. Let's make there also grill, one supply and one keep near the glass, because here we have heat, and return to the other side, make this color same, but this is red. So this duct size is 300 by 300, and here for 200 CFM our duct size is 250 by 150. So here the duct size will be 250 by 150. Offset, if you want to see how we calculate it, here you can see 200 CFM 8-inch, 200 by 200 also we can make, but if we reduce the height, so we will get this one. So 250 by 150, this is inches, this size in inches. If you don't know how to calculate duct size, you can go my old videos. There I teach how to calculate exact duct size. So if you see that video, it's easy to understand. Okay, now we have here 200 by 150 duct size. Okay, offset make 30 centi reducer here, length is 30 centi, and what is our duct size now? 250. Oh, sorry, what is duct size we have to make here? 250. Okay, make line 25, this is in centimeters. Remove this. Okay, straight. And here how many diffusers flexible we make? 2. So just take these 2 flexibles, sorry, paste it here, shift this up, shift this up, and make a straight line. Okay, bring like this and like this. So this is 250, so make offset 250 up to here and up to here. Trim the balance part, make offset 250. So F enter, R enter, fillet is 6, mean 25 divided by 4 approximate 6, and trim this one, connect the fillet ends here also, fillet and offset. Here also connect your fillet ends and match your color like this, and write down your duct size also there. Paste it here, and you can paste another also. Okay, now this is the grills descriptions we write here for 200 cfm, and we will paste it there. And this we have to paste here also, one number. Here cfm, how many cfm we throw here? 315, 315, and same paste it here also, this grill also. Okay, for this grill, one supply and one return, one supply, one return. And after that we have this part, bring here, make smaller, 0.7, no problem. So one number SD only. Okay, SD mean square diffuser. One number SD. How many CFM we throw here? 50 CFM. Write down the size of the diffuser, 150 by 150, like this. And adjust this rectangle a little, like this. Then copy here and copy here. So this is also done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, now we have to make the VCDs. VCD mean volume control damper. Okay, just copy this one. This is the VCD that I have already. Just copy here, make like this. Okay, if you want to rotate this text, you can rotate like this. Then mirror like this. So next we can make VCD here also. Is there any other branch? That's it. Main branch, no need VCD. If in the flexible we can make VCD also, but that is very the price will go very expensive. I don't think so client will allow me to make VCDs in the flexible duct also. So I will not make. If he said, I will see. Okay, that's it. So I have one thing balance only. 2.5, make offset 2.5 for the liner here. Offset 2.5. Change its color to yellow. This is our liner. If you want to change the line type into dotted, you can change to dotted. That's it. We finished this one machine. We finished ducting for one machine. In the next class, inshallah, we will finish this machine also. And another class, we will finish the ventilation and fresh air duct that we have in the existing file. Okay, so this is existing AC, and here also we need to change the name, existing AC plan, and this will be proposed AC plan. Okay,